sometimes the people are making fun, they also don't know English. If you speak
Mhm.
and you also become too much good at English, those people will come and say that please tell me how to speak.
Okay, okay, wonderful. So you want to say that first of all, they should practice or they should
Yeah.
get inspiration from the teachers and they should learn English, right? Hmm.
Good afternoon, ma'am. It's a
Good
good.
evening, Apri. How are you?
I'm all fine, ma'am. And what about you?
I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. And
Okay, ma'am. So, without wasting our time, should we break the ice?
of course. And one thing I would like to say here that, I wanted to connect with you earlier, but I think because of our time schedule, we didn't connect, but finally we are meeting. So I'm over the moon to see you here. Okay. So now I would like to know about you first. Please introduce yourself.
Of course, ma'am. As you know, my name is Apri Shrivastava. I study in class 5th B. My school name is Jeevan Mark Sophie Secondary School. I live in UP, Devariya. I am 10 years old, and this is all about me, ma'am. About myself, ma'am. And can I know something about you also?
Of course, why not? We have similar surname because I am also Anjana Srivastava. I am from Uttar Pradesh, district Farrukhabad. By profession, I am a passionate educator, providing both offline and online classes. If I talk about my hobbies, I'm deeply interested in watching English podcast, and I strongly believe in lifelong learning and self improvement. And that's why I run my own YouTube channel where I help beginners improve their English and confidence. Yeah, that's brief introduction
Yeah.
about me.
I'm also having a channel named Apri Shrivastava. I tell many things like many like how to say that, how to use words, how to use phrases, little phrases for
Mm.
many beginners to help them to speak English and for also kids.
Wonderful. It sounds good and you should be continuing. But I'm very curious to know that you are a student, right? Still, you are running your YouTube channel. So, how do you manage time?
I'm having that much schedule to like do all my things in a proper way. Like when I go to school at around 8 o'clock. After that, when I come at 2 o'clock at 2 p.m. And after that, just I take some 1 or 2 hours break, and after that, I make my videos, and after that, just then after making my videos, sometimes if my mom has chosen a podcast, so I do there, and after that I start studying, then break and study. That's all. But right now my holidays are going on because my exams are just over, and right, I was in class 4th, but I'm not now. I'm going to go in class 5th. That's why some holidays are going on. That's why I'm just making more videos to catch up in this holidays, and to also not waste my time in this holidays, and also improve my studies. Like I'm just doing some vocabularies. I'm studying class 5th tenses and other things.
Amazing. And you are inspiration for other students too, because they have lot of time. Still, they have a lot of complaint that I didn't get time. That is why I didn't do my homework and learning things. So it's really commendable that you are running your YouTube channel. Simultaneously, you are a student. You have lot of things to learn. Wonderful. Amazing. Okay. So my next question is that um, you are a child and you are a student, so definitely you have lot of things on your plate, right? So who helped you, or I can say who support you a lot to manage, to have balance between your professional YouTube channel and your study? Who supports you a lot?
Like my mom helped me a lot in this because she only teaches me. She manages all the time that
Okay.
you have to do like this on this time, in this on this time. Like I'm not having any kind of thing, and Also, my mom has helped me in a lot of things. Like when I'm studying, she helps me. She tells me how to do that. In podcast, in
Hmm.
podcast is in many things, and also some English. And she also tell me many vocabularies to use in English word in English
Okay.
podcast, and
Mhm.
also to teach people. So she has helped me a lot, and my parents also.
So hats off to you and your parents too. Because of your parents, now you are speaking so good. Wonderful. Okay. So, okay, next question I have that who motivated you to learn this language and to run your YouTube channel?
Like I started my videos when I was the age of around 3. At that time I just make some that videos, and after that when I started at fifth no no when I was 5 years old, my mom
Hmm.
said that now you will teach English in this video
Okay.
channel. I said okay mom, but when I started it was not a cup of tea for me. Then
Mhm.
after doing some practices, my mom told me one word
Mhm.
to use this. So I said, okay, okay. Now I learned that word. I use that words with my family members, my parents, and after that I teach
Okay.
those words. Now
Mhm.
after that they were on my tongue. Now whenever I
Mm.
was speaking, I could speak them, and
Yeah.
nothing was hard for me. Then I thought that at that time I was thinking it's not a cup of my tea, but right now it's a piece of cake for me, because
Yes.
right now I also know that I'm not that much good at English, but I'm trying well to just learn English very fluently and also with no mistakes. And
Wonderful.
that's all.
But how can you say you are not a good speaker? Even though I can say that you are speaking better than me.
I know that.
Yes. Yeah.
But
Amazing.
you're also speaking very good, ma'am. I thank you, and I'm also over the moon.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Great. So I think you want to give credit to your parents that they motivated you to run your own YouTube channel and speak English. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Okay, so first, I want to know that you belong to UP, and most of the time, I have noticed that in UP we have the schools of CBSE board, like where it is called English medium school. But in many schools, teacher use English as a subject only. They don't use every time English while teaching. So, what is the environment of your school? Like all the teachers speak in English, or they just speak native language Hindi?
Ma'am, I'm studying in ICSC board. It is Jeevan Ma'am
Okay.
Survey Secondary School. Yeah,
Mhm.
so it is a very best school and it is on also an English medium. So at that their teachers are very much friendly, and also they know English very well. Like in every time they use only English sentences, also English
Okay.
words. So
Mhm.
from them also I have taught many things. You say that na, teacher is your
Mhm.
second parent.
Uh-huh. I got it. Okay. So you have learned from there. Mhm. You have learned a lot of
Yeah.
things from school
They have
also.
also tell me many things.
Okay.
Like
Mhm.
first of all, when I went to school, I didn't know how to say that, "Ma'am, may I come in?" and that.
Okay.
They taught me, and I was too much brilliant at English. Then
Mhm.
that time, all the teachers praised me that you are so good. You are so good at English, and I was too much happy that time. I was thinking that, how thank you, mom. You have helped me a lot in this English.
Okay, okay. Because of your mom, you were able to speak English in your school and you got
Yeah.
appreciation from the teachers, right?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay. Okay, Apri, so what would you like to say to the other children? Like they are um elder than you, still they are not able to speak English. So what should you like to say to the other children that why should they learn English or how can they learn English like you?
If I say that it's not my opinion, but I think so. I can, if they know English, they must practice, because practice makes a man perfect. And if they are
Mhm.
practicing, they could be very good at English. So, if they are very confident in in this language, they can use it.
Mhm.
And in the schools, mostly in schools, people
Mm-hmm.
talk in English, the teachers and everyone. So they should be inspired from that. And many children know English, but they are not speaking that. If I say wrong, people will make fun of me.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes the people are making fun. They also don't know English. If you speak and you also become too much good at English, those people will come and say that, please tell me how to speak.
Okay, okay, wonderful. So you want to say that first of all, they should practice or they should
Yeah.
get inspiration from the teachers and they should learn English, right? Hmm. Okay, wonderful. Do you have any question?
Ma'am, at which time you started this your channel?
I started my channel, I think it's been more than 2 years.
Oh, so right, how many subscribers are you having right now?
Right now, I have more than 3,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
I think
Good.
3,700 maybe. Yeah. Okay. Just let me know what is your goal, Apri?
My goal is to become an IAS officer.
Okay, wonderful. You are not visible now.
Wait a sec, ma'am, please. Now am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, you are visible now. Okay.
Okay,
Your goal is you want to become an IS officer. So it is
yes,
your
ma'am.
dream, or your just parents guided you, or just they want that you should do prepare for the IS exam after growing up.
It's my dream also. It's my mother's dream also, and it's my father's dreams also.
Okay, then wonderful. Okay. So who is your role model?
If you are saying that my role model is my parents.
That's also wonderful. I just want to know that uh, since we start our conversation, you appreciated a lot about your parents, like your parents taught you English and they help you to run your YouTube channel. They guide you each and every time, and they have the same dream, like you want to become IS officer. They also have the same dream. So, what are the best qualities of your parents that you always appreciate, and that is
You're
why you
not
love
audible,
your
ma'am.
parents?
You were not audible that time when you were speaking something, the qualities after that.
Okay, hello. Now, am I audible? I
Yeah,
think there
now
would be
you're
network
audible.
issue.
Yeah, now you're audible. That time you were not, so I could not hear it.
Okay, okay. No issue. I'm going to repeating. Just I want to say that what are the best qualities, like you said that your role model are your parents, right? So that is why I want to know that what are the qualities attract you a lot to follow your parents?
My parents helped me a lot in my studies. First
Mm-hmm.
of all, they gave me admission in a very big school.
Mm-hmm.
After that, my mom helped me in my studies. She taught me how to speak English, and
Okay.
my father also helped me in many things.
Mm-hmm.
My mother made very good things to eat, and I love that also. And the way they talk to me, the way they
Okay.
help me, and the
Mhm.
way they teach me, and the way they gave me the confidence, that
Mhm.
has gained me a lot of confidence. And I that's why I think my parents are my role model,
Okay,
and
wonderful,
al-
wonderful.
always they are gonna be my role model in my life.
Great, great. So here I would like to tell you my role model. My role model is my mom. Yes. If I talk about my father, he is also, but my father used to live, far from me because he used to do business in different city. So I didn't have so much attachment with my father, it happens like when you live near to the parents, so that time you have lot of attachment. So since my childhood I saw a lot of struggles my mom did, and she never gave up. She used to live alone and nurtured me along with three other children. So that is why I love my mom, and I always say like my role model is mom. So we have similar role model, right?
Okay, ma'am. So
Okay.
it has been half an hour. So, ma'am, it has been an half an hour, so we should delay the
Okay.
conversation. And
Yes,
you
we
hit
can
the ring
wind
on the
up.
head, ma'am. I had a lot of fun.
Yes, even you made my day. I love children. I love talking to the children. I love teaching children. So really, you are amazing girl, and I wish for you that you may get lot of success in your life and be prosperous. Okay, bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye.
I hope we meet again.
Yes.